Looking for a PC case that combines style and performance without compromise? The CORSAIR 4000X RGB stands out with its sleek tempered glass panels and customizable RGB lighting, designed to showcase your build while keeping it cool. This mid-tower case balances aesthetics and airflow perfectly, making it a top choice for anyone serious about their PC setup. What sets the 4000X RGB apart is its thoughtful design. The tempered glass side and front panels aren't just for looks, they come with dedicated front ventilation channels that ensure your components stay cool even under heavy loads. Plus, the CORSAIR RapidRoute cable management system streamlines your build process, letting you route all major cables neatly through a single channel with 25 mm of space behind the motherboard. That means a clean, professional appearance without the hassle. Cooling is another strong suit here. The case includes 3 CORSAIR 120mm air-guide RGB fans, each equipped with anti-vortex vanes that concentrate airflow exactly where it's needed. With 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs per fan, you get brilliant lighting effects that you can fully control and synchronize for up to 6 fans using the IQ Lighting Node Core and CORSAIR IQ software. It's not just eye candy, it's smart cooling that adapts to your system's needs. One user with a Ryzen 9 5900X praised the case for its spacious interior and excellent airflow. They managed a 3-push, 2-pull fan setup and kept temperatures around 60 degrees Celsius under full load with some undervolting. The tempered glass on the white model is crystal clear and thick, offering durability without compromising on style. The only minor gripe was that the included fans came in black instead of white, but swapping them out was quick and easy for anyone with a bit of patience. This case isn't just for experts. Even first-time builders find the 4000X RGB straightforward to assemble and disassemble. The roomy interior comfortably fits large cooling solutions like a 360mm AIO radiator, giving you flexibility to upgrade or customize your system without squeezing components or sacrificing airflow. If you're aiming for a mid-tower build that looks sharp and runs cool, the CORSAIR 4000X RGB delivers on both fronts. It's engineered for clean builds, efficient cooling, and striking RGB effects, all wrapped in a durable, tempered glass design. Worth a look if you want a case that handles performance and presentation with equal skill. Ready to elevate your PC build? The 4000X RGB offers a perfect blend of style, space, and airflow that makes assembling your dream system easier and more satisfying. Try it when you're ready to step up your game with a case that truly supports your hardware and your style.